Hi, my name is Fran, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 3 major skills you need to start earning big with affiliate marketing. So if you've been struggling to earn that first commission or that second commission, stay tuned, watch this video to the end because that's about to change. So most people only tell you that you can earn $1,000 per day. All the videos you can find, all the information is how much you can earn and little strategies to do so. But if instead you actually master the skills that can bring you those amounts, then you can actually scale that to as much as you want. That's the beauty about affiliate marketing. Once you master the skills you need to actually make the money, you can create a passive income, you can create systems that actually work for you because you have the skills to build them. You don't rely on somebody else's systems, don't rely on what other people are telling you can do because they did it, because it's different for everybody. And this is the beauty about affiliate marketing. Each of us is unique and there is no saturation in the market because you have a different point of view and you can bring something new to the marketplace. And I'm about to share with you how you can do that. And it's not as hard as you might think. So you don't need to be learning for 4 years straight like I did. Or get any certifications or anything. You just need to master 3 major skills. And what skills are these? So the first skill that you can master to actually start earning in a matter of weeks, and the most important skill, the number one that you should focus on, is actually content creation and traffic generation. And why do I put these 2 items in one? Because if you actually learn to create content the right way, you can create content that actually generates traffic. You would have heard about SEO, search engine optimization, and this is the skill in content creation that once you master, you can create content that will generate views passively, and these visitors are going to come and consume your content for almost forever, depending on the content, depending on the optimization you have on it. The great thing about this is that if this content is actually optimized for sales, this content will bring views, it will bring visitors, and it will also turn them into customers. As I said, the skill is content creation. So content creation the right way. First, let's talk about what content is. Content can be a video, can be a blog post, so text format, can be a podcast, an audio. So should you work on all of that? No, you should master one of them. There are 2 major content formats you should think about. One is text, like blogs, and the second one is video, what I'm doing right here. To start with, I advise you to go into video, into YouTube. So I started with blogging, and I've been blogging for a few years. I've never been consistent or created as much content as I would like, but I'm very happy with the content I've created. It's for me, the quality of the content is more important than the quantity. So, but YouTube is much easier to start generating visits and to actually start bringing in traffic to your videos than actually with a blog post. So let's just think that YouTube is your friend, and YouTube as a platform will help you to generate traffic if you actually understand how it works. So first you need to know what content aims to do. So content is supposed to inform, educate, and or entertain. So if you can actually put 2 or the 3 of them together, then your content is brilliant. Your content won't always inform, educate, and entertain, but you can actually do 2 of them at least, or you can put 3 of them together sometimes. The important thing you want to keep in mind here is your content is supposed to help somebody solve a problem. Once you solve somebody's problem, then you have their respect, and they will follow your recommendations, which is what we need in affiliate marketing. You need your audience to actually trust you and follow your recommendations. Now, remember, if you want to gain their trust, never break their trust. So only recommend what you actually truly believe in and you know that it's a good product. So with this being said, I recommend you start learning how to create content for YouTube. It's the fastest way to actually start getting visitors. I started this YouTube channel, I think it was around 3 months ago or something, 4 months maybe. Actually, since last time I posted, it's been a month, so I've been inactive for a month. And but from the first month, I was already getting visitors. I was already getting views from the first few videos I created. Why? Because I've optimized them through SEO, search engine optimization. And all you need to do this, you don't need to master search engine optimization. You don't need to understand how. You don't need to be a genius of SEO to do this. With a few tools, you can do this. I use 2 tools. I use vidIQ and TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy specifically, it has all the tools you need. It will, once you start searching for search terms, you will see which search terms you can optimize for, and you can start generating traffic. What you need to find is searches that people are already doing, so terms that people are already searching for, and help them with that problem. What people go to YouTube for is they have a problem and they need a solution. They go there and they search which skills do I need for affiliate marketing. So I went there, I saw it on TubeBuddy that people were looking for this, and there wasn't a lot of offer. Actually, I haven't seen a video that actually answers this question properly, so I decided to make this video. So I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to answer your question around that was, which skills do you need for affiliate marketing? I will leave a link for vidIQ and for TubeBuddy in the description below, and I will also eventually create a video around how to use vidIQ to find the right content to create. And once I do, I will leave a link in this also in the description and in the maybe a card up here for you to follow. If you're watching this and you don't have the card yet, then just make sure to subscribe, because that video is coming soon and you'll be notified once I actually create that video. For now, just remember, you can actually look for other videos that talk about vidIQ or TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is really easy for beginners, and it's really and it's perfect for you to start with. All right, so that's content creation. I recommend starting with YouTube. If you're doing, if you want to start blogging because you don't want to get on camera, I still recommend you get over that fear, because I had that fear for a long time, and once I got over it, and a whole new world opened up. So, if you want to start with blogging, just go ahead and blog, but understand that the SEO practices you need to learn are much harder. I mean, you need to become much more of an expert to start generating traffic with blogging, because there's a lot more competition, and there's most people actually that appear in search results of Google, they know what they're doing. You can do it, but remember, it will take much longer to start ranking. Google takes time to actually trust you as a website. So again, I recommend YouTube. Skill number 2 is lead generation. And why lead generation? Because you need to earn the right to communicate with your audience more than once. Most people, they watch a video, they read a blog post, and they're not going to take an action, even if that action is going to help them. People research and they try to find out more about the subject at hand, and probably they will watch your video, and your video helped them greatly, but they'll jump to the next video, and on the same subject, because they want to make sure. And it is said that in order to make a purchase, people need around 7 contacts. So in order to make a purchase, people need around 7 contacts with the same with you, or 7 points of contact. So on average, obviously, so there's some people who will buy on the first contact, and other people who will take longer. But this is why you need to actually build an email list. So this is the lead generation I'm talking about. Once you manage to turn your content into a lead generation machine, then you will have an email list which you can email at any moment. So let's say you've created this same video we're talking about, which is this one, the skills needed for affiliate marketing, and you've offered them some lead magnets. So you've offered them a reason to opt to your email list. So in the description below you can find a link to a PDF guide which has the templates of my 3 welcome emails, which actually transform your subscribers into paying subscribers. And once you download that, you will be opting into my email list, and you will receive emails from me recommending you other things or talking about other things. Maybe you'll receive an email tomorrow talking about lead generation, how to master lead generation. Actually, I'm going to recommend a book in just a few minutes or just a few seconds. I'll recommend a book for you to master lead generation as well. So once these people go into your email list, all right, maybe you're not ready to buy whatever I'm recommending in this in this video, because actually at the moment I haven't recommended anything, but I will recommend a program that will help you master these skills as well. So just stay tuned to the end. These people will, but you probably receive emails from me. You probably know you will receive emails from me also talking about these, and these emails not only will keep helping you, but they will give you more chances to become a customer of mine, or not of mine, but an affiliate. So a referral of mine for any affiliate product. So the book I'm going to recommend to you is called The Invisible Selling Machine by Ryan Deiss from Digital Marketer. That book is amazing. It taught me everything I needed to build an email list and email marketing. So here's the book right here. You can just you will also find probably a link in the description below to the book, to Amazon or something. All right, so I also have a video already explaining how you can actually start building an email list even if you don't have a PDF or anything to offer. Let's say I've invented a lead generation method for affiliate marketing which works perfectly for beginners. You don't need to actually create anything of your own, and you can actually start building your email list straight away. So just make sure to follow the card here if you want to watch that video. And that will help you start with the lead generation process. So let's go into skill number 3. It's copywriting. And before you get scared with copywriting, I know copywriting scares a lot of people. I do love copywriting, but the copywriting is not a skill you are born with. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be a great writer or write romances or whatever. Copywriting is actually science. And it's psychology, and once you learn some certain formulas to copywriting, it's so easy to actually get somebody. And copywriting is not just for sales. Copywriting will also help you in lead generation. It will also help you within your content to actually keep people engaged. So there are formulas that you can learn, or you can actually copy them. And you can apply them to everything you do, to your content, to your lead generation, and to your sales point, whatever it is. So let's say you create content, and within that video you are actually using those formulas. You're talking in a certain way, or you're positioning the content in a certain way that will make people want to follow the next step. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is actually it's putting words in a way, or communicating in a way that will lead a person to a certain action. It doesn't need to be sales. At any given moment, you want the person to actually take an action. So that is copywriting. That is what you can learn from certain formulas. And I'm going to give you again a resource, a book, that will teach you all these formulas you need to actually apply to everything you do in order to start generating leads, building email lists, to actually start making commissions immediately. So the book I'm talking about here is Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. This is a guy that works with Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, and his book is amazing. He brings the science, the formulas. He just breaks copywriting into formulas, and you just have to learn these basic formulas, and you can start. Actually, everything you do will generate money, basically. So that is copywriting. So these are the 3 basic skills you need to learn, the major skills you need to learn right now to actually start earning money. I'm also going to talk about the high income skills that Dave Sharp talks about from Legendary Marketer. Just really quickly, so Dave Sharp talks, they're very similar. So Dave Sharp talks about high income skill number 1 is lead generation. High income skill number 2 is copywriting, and high income skill number 3 is sales and presenting. I position this differently because these are the high income skills for marketing online for any business, according to Dave Sharp. I have positioned the 3 skills I think you need to master to actually be a great affiliate marketer, specifically for affiliate marketing. I would like to recommend to you Dave Sharp's book called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, which is an amazing book. It's not big. It's actually really small. It's around 90 pages, where there's no fluff in it. Dave just tells you exactly what you need to know to start earning with affiliate marketing. So he goes more in depth into these subjects that I just spoke about. And well, Dave is a much better affiliate marketer than me, so I learned from him, so you should learn from him as well. I will leave a link to that book in the description below. It costs less than $2, so don't hesitate to get that book. And once you get it, you will also get access to the Legendary Marketer challenge, 15-day challenge with video trainings where Dave Sharp tells you, breaks down affiliate marketing for you and actually teach. You can actually build an affiliate business in 15 days and start earning a big income. If you want to know more about this challenge, I have a video reviewing the challenge itself, and I'm going to leave a card above this video so you can check it out. These are the skills you need for affiliate marketing. The 3 major skills you need for affiliate marketing, they are content creation and traffic generation, which you can do both at once if you can create the right content. The number 2 is lead generation. Number 3 is copywriting. I hope that was helpful to you. If this helped you in any way, just make sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you want to know more about these skills, or if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, content creation, because that's what what I teach in this channel. And if you're subscribed, you'll receive notifications about the next videos I'm going to create. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.